Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll help you change the bulb in your lava lamp if it's blown. For safety purposes, it's worth wearing a glove or using a rag when you remove the old bulb or install the new bulb, just in case the bulb breaks. Now this one here, when you switch it on, nothing happens. Now this usually means that the bulb is blown. If you find after taking out the bulb that it's fine, then it could be the fuse in the plug. But before we get started, you need to switch off the lava lamp and unplug it. To get access to the bulb, hold the bottom of the housing, then turn the glass lava lamp anti-clockwise and it just unscrews, and then gently place that down next to it. You can see there the glass thread at the bottom. And inside, that is where the bulb is. Now all lava lamps do vary, so make sure you replace it with the same bulb. And inside there's a sticker, this one's saying it's a 40 watt A15 bulb. And this needs to be an incandescent bulb, not an LED bulb, because the heat from the bulb is what makes the lava melt and go up and down inside the lamp. An LED bulb will not get hot enough. This particular bulb inside this one is a bayonet fitting. So what you need to do is gently push the bulb downwards and then turn it anti-clockwise about 15 degrees and then remove the bulb. If it is a screw thread type bulb like this one, then you just need to unscrew it anti-clockwise until the bulb removes. But this one is a standard bayonet fitting with parallel pins, and you can see here that this one is definitely blown because the filament inside is all just hanging off. So this definitely needs replacing. And the wattage is written on the side of the bulb that you've removed, so make sure you get one that's exactly the same. This is a 40 watt bulb with the bayonet fitting. So I'm just going to go to my pack of light bulbs, and I've got some spares here with lava lamp written on them. Obviously if you've got the screw thread type, then make sure you replace it with that. And do not use LED, as I mentioned earlier, that won't get hot enough. The heat from these old-fashioned bulbs is what makes the lava melt and go up and down inside the lava lamp. So take your new bulb and with the bayonet fitting type like this one, you need to line it up with those pins, gently push it down and then turn it clockwise about 15 degrees to lock it into position. Obviously if you've got the screw thread type bulb, just gently place that inside and turn it clockwise, and then just keep turning that until it locks into position. But with this one, we're just gently pushing it down and turning it clockwise to lock it in. You may want to hold the base while you lock that bulb in, that will make it easier. Now before we put it all back together, we're just going to test it out. So just plug it back in and switch it on. Now switch it on at the switch here. Fabulous, that's all working. If it doesn't work, then check the fuse in the mains plug and make sure you replace it with the same ampage fuse, and then try that again. Now we can reinstall the glass column. Just gently lay that into the base, and then you're turning that clockwise to screw it in. Great stuff, and I tell you what, I think that deserves a lovely cup of tea. In the top right, how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing. In the top left, how to keep your curtains super smooth on the curtain rails, that is a top tip. And in the bottom left, how to clean your UPVC guttering so it stays clean. LLLL, Lurgs' lovely lava lamp. Very soothing.